Hello everyone, my name is Sunil. I am going to start the web designing course for you. Just I would like to rebrief because few of the students have joined today. So this course is about the web designing internship in web designing. Yesterday I given something brief about the internship and the benefit of the web designing. But I hope few student was not there, so I will do in very brief. And what are the thing I am going to cover in this course that I am going to continue. See here I am going to start today with HTML and further I will follow with CSS. Next it will be JavaScript and then it will be PHP, MySQL and next will be project. So guys, this is the almost first session. So please listen carefully. I am going to start today with HTML. I am going to share one document and we will go through it and we'll know what is HTML and what is the use of HTML. Now a student have to stop joining, okay? Who have not joined, I am not going to admit, okay? Because in between it's disturbance. So guys, you may be aware with what is HTML and what we use, why we use HTML, correct? So HTML is the backbone of web programming. Any information over the net, what you see, can be represented using the HTML. You may have seen the Word document. So Word document, you create some content, and that content is only available in your system, or you send it through WhatsApp, but everyone cannot see. To make your document a global document, you require to program and keep the information over web. So now we are going to learn how you can design, how you can do web programming. You may have used a lot of web programming. You may have used a lot of web programming, like your college website or any informative site, what you are using, that is done using the web programming. But now you are a computer science student, so you have to learn how you can do this. Fine. Fine. This is the last time I am admitting a student. Afterwards, I am not going to admit. Fine. So guys, let us start with the HTML. So HTML is full of tags. HTML is full of tags. Using the tag, we create the web design. Fine. Are you able to see my screen? Guy, are you able to listen me and are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Facing problem?
Your network is slow, sir.
Network is slow.
Yes, sir.
So let's go through HTML tag in web programming. So we cannot assume web programming without HTML tag. So what exactly is the HTML guy? So HTML is the language in which most websites are written. So HTML is used to create pages and make them functional. The code used to make them visually appealing is known as CSS. What I said, we are going to study next. So HTML is a markup language, is a way that computer speak to each other to control how text is presented. HTML tag is going to control how text is presented over the net. To do this, HTML uses two things: tags and attributes. So let's see what is tag guy and what is attribute. Fine. So tag are used to mark up the start of HTML element, and they are usually enclosed in angle brackets. An example tag is H1. So H1 is what? It is a tag. So how it is? It is enclosed in angle brackets. I hope all of you may be aware of few of the tag of HTML. Fine. So attribute contain additional pieces of information about the tags. Attribute takes the form of an opening tag and additional info is placed inside. So that is referred as tags, attributes. H1 is a tags, and it will have h1, and inside we can give the height, color, width, background color or something. So that is going to be attributes. See here below is one example. img is a tag. img is a tag. src, it's giving its path. Alternative, a photo of my dog. So these are referred as attributes. Golden rule to remember. While doing the HTML tags, HTML programming, what are the basic things you require to remember? The vast majority of tag must be open. Almost all tag must have to be open. Fine. So what is new? And then we have to close it. So most of the tag we have to close it. Fine. When using multiple tag, the tag must be closed in the order in which they were open. Fine. Sometimes you will see multiple tags are used in one line. So there should be some sequence. So what is sequence, guy? Here a strong is one tag and em is another tag. This is really important. So next, which one should be closed first? A strong, because a strong came first? No. Which is closer to this text? em. So first em should be closed and then a strong have to be closed. Fine. This is a golden rule you have to follow when multiple tags are used in a paragraph. So where to write the HTML program? Next question comes, where to write the program? What are the editor available to write the program? Where we are going to execute this program? So fine, guy. I am going to clear you one by one. So there are various editors available in the market. There are various editors available in the market. Students are not stopping. So various, which are the editor where you can write the code. So there is very basic. Every computer will have inbuilt one editor that is referred as Notepad. This comes with our operating system. Next is which is available in the market, Notepad++. So Notepad++ you can install.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, Chandana Priya yaro avaru meet ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Yes. I am telling. A student not listening. Again, I have to mute.
Sir, you only mute her, sir.
Fine. So Notepad++ and Visual Code Editor, Sublime, and many more is there. So have you guys seen what is the basic structure of a very simple program? Basic structure, we should define its doc tag. So doc tag give the version of HTML. Next, it will start by HTML, and every program, so better in place of explaining here we can explain. So every program of HTML have to start by HTML tag and have to close it by HTML tag. Fine. Next, it will follow head tag. Guy, please don't disturb in between. Okay. Already I have said I will start removing the student if anyone not understand. So I was talking about the HTML basic structure of the HTML tag. So HTML tag, I start with HTML and it has to be closed by HTML. Next, next it will follow head tag. Next will be body tag, and body tag in the sequence have to be closed. So doc tag declaration, it gives the version. HTML program know its version of the HTML using the tag declaration. So you can see the structure is like that. On the top, head tag will be there. So inside the head, what we can do, we can write the title, and the main content of the website is going to come in the body part. The main content, what you see in the website, is going to come in the body part, and in the last, you have to close the HTML tag. To learn HTML, you need to study various tags and understand how they behave while formatting a text document. Fine, guys? So first we are going to see few of the tags. The major tag of HTML are title, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, div tag, paragraph tag, block code tag, Q tag, HR tag, BR tag, B tag, I tag, span tag. So guys, these all tag I am going to show you by program, using the program, where you will, in place of explaining each tag here, I am going to show you by program. Just you maintain the silence. I am going to teach you the HTML the way you are going to understand it for live. Okay, so already I explained you, this is the basic format. This is the basic format of HTML program. So here is few of the H1, H2, H3, H4 tags. So what exactly uses of the tag? It is clear by the output. See, it has been used in the program and output is also shown below. So you can understand that this is used to define different size, font size. H1, H2, H3 is used to define different, it is a predefined font size. Okay. In the program, we cannot keep writing by number 400, 500, 300. So suppose you do like that, it is going to be mess. You will not remember where you have. So whole one website generally will have some regulation. All headings should come in H1 tag. Next, it should come in the H2 tag, like that. Fine, guy? So this all we are going to see, and many more tag is there. So here I am going to give you the glimpse of the tag, and same time what I am going to do, in the once the class start, I am going to send you this PPT so you can go through. Fine. So next, what will be my job? I am going to show most of the tag by executing the program where it will be more clear. Fine, guy? I don't want to spend more time here to explain here. This text anyway, it's going to be with you, and you see everything is written here. A small tag, what is the use of a strike tag, U tag, ins tag. But I am going to show most of the tag using the program. Fine. So you may have heard div tag. So div tag create a division. You see, whenever you see one website, you see different division will be there. Left side, some logo is there. Right side, some content is, contact number is there. Below, some photo is there. Then some content is there. Slider is there. So how we create this division in the one screen? That is using the div tag. Fine, guy? See here we have a division div tag, and inside this div tag we have used different heading or paragraph or some picture or some link. Fine. Using the P tag, we define a paragraph, and paragraph may be of 1 line, or paragraph may be of 5 line or 10 line. You may be aware of the paragraph. See, you understand, guy, one thing, how you was creating a Word document and you was doing the formatting. Now, same thing you have to do for your web pages, but you cannot do like Word file. Here, to do the formatting, you require different tags, and that only we are going to study here. And you know, web designing is so highly demanded in the market. because next 5 to 10 years, each and everything of this world is going to be on the web. Who you are, nobody will ask you, they will see about you on the web. So be conscious from now, whatever I am teaching, try to gain the basic knowledge of this and start practicing. So once you start practicing, it's going to give you confidence and interest, and by the end of your semester or by end of the year, you will be able to create some website. And by completing your course, you can get job easily, or you can become a freelancer, or during the study you can work with some organization, you can do internship. Fine. So here we have shown the div tag as well as and tag inside tag. It will be always there. Inside one tag we can use another tag, in another tag we can use, and here we have to keep always in mind the golden rule of HTML tags. So here is one BR tag. So what is the use of BR tag? BR tag is break of the line. Suppose you don't want to show a big paragraph anywhere, you want to show the thing from the next line, you can use the BR tag. So HTML tag, link, image, list, table, iframe, link, a script, a style, these all things are going to be used. So we are going to see it one by one. So what is the use of link tag? What you can link in your website? You can link some images, you can link some website. Hyperlink, you can say hyperlink, be linked from one pages to another pages. Tag, opening tag and closing tag will be there for link. Define a hyperlink which is used to link from one pages to another. It will have attribute href flag.
Sir, the screen is not shared.
Pardon?
So the screen is not shared.
Is it? A screen is not shared. I asked you in the start, stop sharing. It was shared, may have got a stop. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see? So from this much time you are not able to see, or in between got a stop. So here I was talking about with reference to this document. So this was the basic syntax. I hope everyone are able to see my screen. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the basic model of the HTML tags. HTML program always have to come in this format. So you can understand head is going to be on the top, and what you can keep, it will have the title and it can have different things, what you are going to see. And the main content is going to come from the body part. So I was talking about different various tag of HTML, in which H1, H2, H3, H4, these tag are there. Div tag is there, paragraph tag is there, Q tag is there, blog quote is there, HR, VR, V, I, span, many are there. It's not a limited. So you require to know all the tag. It's not necessary. Once you start, you know the basic tag, you can start programming. Anywhere you get the difficulty guide, you can Google it. You will get some related or new tags. Tag also keep increasing. Fine. So here I was showing you how we can write in the program, use in the program H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 tags, and what is the output is going to come for these tags. So output is also shown below, and you can understand from the output, this is used for the font size, correct? The H1 is having higher font size and H6 is having the lower font size, correct? So here are a lot of tags are there and its uses are explained. And I said that I'm going to share this PPT after the class, so you can revise it. And from the program, I'm going to show the uses of this tag. So here is how you can use the div tag. So this is example how you can use the div tag. Fine, but div tag will be not come alone. Inside you can use a lot of tags, because division tag will just create the division, and inside the division some of the content, photograph or many things have to come. Fine. So here is example of paragraph tag. So next is the BR tag. So BR tag is used for getting a break in a line. If you want some content should come in the next line, you can use immediately BR tag. Like here, this is a text content. In between, I given BR, a line break. So a line break is going to come in the output in the next line. So HTML tags, among the HTML tag, some of the important tags are there, which will be highly used. So in that, link is there, image is there, list is there, table is there, iframe is there. Okay. We are going to use this one by one. So hyperlink, how to create the hyperlink, why to create the hyperlink, where to create the hyperlink. So using this link, we can link any images, or we can call any other pages, and it will have the opening and closing tags. It will have some used to link from one page to another page. It will have attributes. So what are the attributes? href flag. These are the attributes. What we are going to see in the program during the program execution. Fine. So image tag, image img. img is a tag, image. src is an attribute. So in src, we are giving source. Alternative is an attribute. And height is an attribute. Width is an attribute. When you display picture, also you required to define its height and width. Fine. Same way, HTML table. So you may be aware, many places you may be browsing some of the website, and you find some data is displayed in the tabular format. So how we achieve this? So this we achieve using the table. So how we code for the table? So this is a program example. This is a program example, how we code this. The main tag is going to be table tag. The main tag is going to be table tag. It will follow by tr, table row, td, td define a row, define a cell td, tr, and td. tr will be row, td will be table data. So table can be of this way or many way. Header, we can provide some color. So different attributes are there. Using different attributes, we can design our required table. So more about this table is here. What I'm going to clear you using the program. Fine. Just I'm going to give you the glimpse of HTML, and more I'm going to clear by the program. Fine, guy. So many times you see, sometimes you require to list the first item, second item, some bullet or some numbering should come. So this is referred as unordered list. Order is there, but numbering is not there. And sometimes you put it by point 1, 2, 3. So this is referred as ordered list. So how we achieve this? That we are going to see. We use UL and OL. UL is unordered list, OL is ordered list, and ELI is the real listing. See here a small program. So this tag can give you the required output of the unordered list and ordered list. So UL will generate unordered list, and ELI using it will list all the elements. OL will give you ordered list, and ELI will be used for the listing of the element. So form. So are you aware of form, guy? So you may be filling a lot of examination form, admission form. So those days are gone. You go college, they don't give you a form. They say that you go online and fill the form and come here. We are going to take your admission. Correct? Most of the colleges have started. So everything what work used to be manual is going to be on live. Fine. The what work used to be manual is nowadays it's going to be live. So we required to learn how to design the registration form, login form, in different kind of form, inquiry form, many kind of form. Whatever work was going manual, all has come online, and we required to design for this. Fine. So form is a tag in HTML to provide such functionality of creating the registration in all. And the form tag have the attribute, action. Many times what is required, where data should be safe, nobody should hack it. So while passing the data, it should encrypt and go in that table or anywhere or in the mail, in method and name. So form tag have to be closed by the form tag. Further, you can see here HTML form element. So these are the attribute: input, text area, label, field set. These all are attribute, which will be more clear by the program. Here you can see a small program. If you have time and if you want to see this, you can see this. So form action, right now I'm keeping blank. So we created one division class. We created one division class container. Inside that we have a heading register. Please fill the form to create account. Label for email. See, just before this slide, I was telling about the attribute. So label is a attribute, input type is a attribute. Okay, so label we create for what field we are going to create. Placeholder, enter email. Fine. So this we are going to see in the output. So pre tag is there. A script tag is there. Fine, guy. So just now I just brief about the tag. Now I am going to start the programming and show you how you can start writing the HTML program. Fine, guy. So I am stopping here and I am going to reshare you next screen. So I hope everyone are getting my voice. For everyone, a screen is clear. And any question? Some guy are asking question to explain in Kannada. I think it's not possible. So guy, I'm going to start the programming. Let's enjoy it. Learn the programming. So where to write the program? What are the editor? Many editors are there. I'm going to share the screen. So let's share the screen, guy. So I am going to use right now Visual Code Editor, and I hope you all may be aware of Visual Code Editor. It is one of the most important code editor. But suppose somebody have not installed in your system, you can go and install. Okay. So how you can get, guy? Where you can get? Fine. So here, just type it. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Visual Code Editor, just you can download and you can install in system. If not, we will send you the file and you can just run, double click and install in your system. So now I'm going to use Visual Code Editor, and I hope everyone are able to see my screen. So here, where to write the code? So here, guy, file, you see file, new text file. So here we can start our program. Fine. So here we can start our program. We can also open new file. So you just have to learn how to text built-in file, open file. I'm going to day2 HTML program. Fine. So in place of this, new file. Fine. Yeah. So let us start writing here program. How we can write the program here, guys? Select language with template or open a different editor to get started. A start tab. Don't show this again. Fine. So let us start. So I have chosen the Visual Code Editor and I am going to start the HTML program, guy. So some of you may be aware of basic HTML and some of you may be not aware. So I consider everyone equal and I am going to start from the base. So as I said, I am talking about the last 30 minutes about HTML. So let us start. This is the first HTML program. So any HTML program start with HTML tag. Fine. So any HTML program start with HTML and it have to be closed with HTML tag. Next. So next it will be having the head tag. So head tag again have to be closed with the head tag. So what we can do inside the head tag, many things we can do, but as of now you understand we can give some title. Okay, we can give some title here. So what title you can give? Web designing using HTML. So this is the title I given. Fine. So what else we can do, we will understand further in the next program. Every program I will be executing program, every class I will be executing program, and we'll be talking about different element and attribute of HTML programming. So first class itself, we cannot say everything what we can do inside the head tag. So next it will follow body tag. Fine. So the main content of any website have to come in body tag. Fine. So what content website can have and how we can write this? These may be the query in your mind. So let us start. Hello, everyone. Happy to see you all in web programming. So just guy, I save this. Fine. and we required, see, how to get the output, where the output is going to come. This output is going to start debugging, run without debugging. So it say where to run. I am selecting web app Chrome. Okay. So this program is going to run on the Chrome, and here the output came. So you all should be happy. Your first programming output came. The first program output came. Hello everyone. Be happy to see the web programming. Fine, guy. But it is not so very interesting. We want to do some changes here, correct? We want to do some changes here. So what changes you want, guy, here? Color is not good. So this, anything you write here, it's going to come, but it is not going to come in your specified way how you are looking. To bring this, you require to use a lot of, you require to know a lot of tag and to get your desired output. So first of all, I am going to use here h1 tag. Here I am going to use h1 tag. So here, as soon as I write, its closing tag also comes, and our content should be in between the closing, opening and closing tag, correct? So I am going to put the content here. I am going to save this, and after saving, I am going to see the output. So output is where, fine. So output will be here. This is, we can close, and this is the output. And let's refresh this again. So hello everyone, happy to see you in all web programming. So now you see, guys, it has become bold, but everything is coming in one line. Everything is coming in one line. I won't see, you will be happy to see this output. So how we can format this? Let us start formatting. How we can format this? Hello everyone. From here, we can use one tag. Okay, BR tag. Name is BR tag. So why we use BR tag, guy? You all may be aware, to give a line break. So I am writing this tag. Let's see whether line break is coming or no. Let's see line break. Yes. So line break, we got the line break. Fine. So what is the other way? What is the other way to do this? Suppose I am not writing the BR tag. Then what we can do? We can use here one paragraph tag. Here we can write one paragraph tag. So how to start the paragraph tag there? P tag. So it got close also. So now what I am going to do? I am cutting this, and I am going to put inside this paragraph tag. Fine. And now I will have another paragraph tag. I will have another paragraph tag. Fine. So there I am going to bring rest of this line. Okay. The rest of this line I am going to bring here. This is here. So now program has been saved, and once we refresh, it is going to come like this. Fine. So still I am not liking this. I want the complete output should be in the center. So to bring the output in the center, which tag we use, guy? We use center tag. Fine. We use center tag. So let's keep all these two lines inside the center. Let's keep all these two lines inside the center. Fine. So we kept inside the center. My program is saved. I am going to refresh and see. So my output is in here. So BG color is, I am giving green. Fine. I am giving green. I want some background color, and let's see whether it's coming or no. So complete our web page color became green. So why green, and which are the color? Now question may be coming in your mind. What are the color we can use here? So many color are there. So how many color are there, guys? 7 color. No, you cannot say. Here color are also infinity. So here now color are referred by color code, and we can get here. So I hope you are seeing the screen. So here you can find HTML color code, HTML color code. So here you see different HTML color code. So which color you like, that color code you can generate. Okay, so you like this color and this is the color code. So can you count how many color is getting generated? See, many color are there. So now I taken this color. So where I can put this color, either we can write the name or we can use the. So now we can see what is the color code of my design. Fine. So this way you can change. Now the font is not clear. So we can also give VG color and just we can give color or text color. We'll do later. So let's see few of the more tags. Let's see few of the more tag. So center tag is there. We use paragraph tag. We can make this happy to see all. It's not coming good. Happy to see you all in the web programming is not coming bold. So here what we can do, we can use one tag, B tag. We can use B tag. Fine. So when we use B tag, this have to come in between. This have to come in between. So I am putting this. So now once we save this and see the output, happy to see you all is coming now bold. Happy to see you all in web programming. This web programming guy, I want italic. So what is the tag used for to make the italic? I tag. Okay. The I tag is used to make the font italic. So just save this and see the output. So web programming, the text web programming, the word web programming became italic. Fine. Next, you want also to underline. You want to make it underline. So we will be using U tag. Okay. To make the web programming underline, we will be using U tag. Here, let's put this inside the U tag and see the output. So web programming became underline. Fine. So this way we can keep changing. Open file. Here we come, copy. In less time we will be covering more tags because time is less. Fine. So here is one program and let's run this program. Here is one program. This program I was doing. Now this is the program. Let's close this program. Now concentrate on this program. Save this program, run this program, start debugging. Debugging, it looks like browser already running from old debug session, debug anywhere. So this output, I am going to close this and I am going to see this next output. HTML color codes. Why this output is not coming? Maybe some error. Let's find the error. Open launch JSON. Run start without debugging and this debug anyway. It looks like browser already running from old web session. Fine. So if it is not coming, then I am going to close this everything, cancel this. Fine. Welcome is also not working. This. Yes. So now we see some output. Okay. Now we see some output and let's see how this is come. Fine. So wordy BG color already be used and text color also we can define. So text color, how it is, How is the text color, guy? Okay, so on this color is okay. You don't want this. You want something, you want red. The font color you want red. So you can give here red, or you can get a color code and you can put here.
Sir, output show ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir.
You are not able to see the source? Are you able to see the source?
No sir.
No? How it's happened? Are you able to see now? Yeah. So whenever you are not seeing the source, you can indeed, you can tell me, okay. So what's happened suddenly, sharing opening different window, the sharing control goes off. So here I was changing the color, font color, fine. And in this I have used image SRC. I have used image SRC and we have given a path of the logo. So see the program here, I have kept the program. So what is the logo? Logo.png is there, okay. Suppose I keep one folder and I name it img. I keep this folder name img, and logo I'm going to keep here inside here I kept. Now let's go in the program and also see the output. Now we are not able to display the logo. So what's wrong here? Let's see here what's wrong. So image src is equal to logo.png. So logo.png, the program is not going to search whole of the computer. If it is in the same folder where program is kept, it's going to take it default. It's going to read. Suppose it is from different folder, then be required to give the path. And you have seen where I have kept in the image folder. We have an image folder. Now we are taking the logo from this. Okay. So logo, and you see, so I don't want to keep anything, just I want a logo. Okay. Just I want logo to be displayed. So let display just logo. So here is the program and I hope logo is come. But logo came and it's not coming in the right size. Is it in right size, guy? No, it's not in right size. So what to do this? How we can control this? So here we can define the height. Here we can define height is equal to 350. I am giving, okay. Height is 350 and width. Width is equal to, let first keep height only. Save this and see how it is coming. So now it is good control, height good control. If required, width also we can give. Fine. So this is the way to display any image in the program, and we can define its size. We can give in SRC alignment. We can align it header, align left. Here we can give align left. Fine. Save this. See this. So it got align left. Next we can align when required. We can align right, or don't do anything. Then it's going to align center. So why it's going to be center? You may be seeing here we have used already center tag. We have used already center tag. So image and heading is going to be aligned in the center. So let's remove the left alignment. Let it be in the center. Fine. So what are the extra thing in this program? So center tag already we learned, and we are going to learn few more things. Fine. run this program. So here output are coming. Here some output are coming. The following word uses a strike throw. Sometimes it's required.
Sir, output show up ಇಲ್ಲ sir. Source show up
Pardon?
ಇದೆ, output show up ಇದೆ.
Output you are not able to see.
No sir.
And next sharing is going to be complete a screen sharing. Okay. A screen, whiteboard, window, everything should be shared. Advanced, select a window or an application that you want to share. Advanced or from background. Basic, this and sharing. So what are you able to see now? Output? Yes, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so here you can see the output and I am going to show you the code. So sometime you required to show some text which is going to be a strike through, something is going to be underlined, something is going to be italic, something is going to be bold. Okay, so how we achieve this? How we achieve this? So this is the program. So now are you able to see the program or no? Again. Are you able to see the program screen?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So here is the tag used to make the underline. U tag is used to make the underline. I tag is to make it italic, and V tag is used to make it bold. A strike to make it a strike. Superscript and subscript. So are you also aware of superscript and subscript? Superscript to x to the power 2. So 2 is going to be superscript. Subscript CO2. So here 2 is superscript. So how you can achieve this using the tag you required, because everything whatever you was studying in your book or you was writing in your document is going to be on the web. So everything we require tag to convert in the same manner how we used to study. So for that different tag are used. So here superscript and subscript using that. Some del tag, something is deleted. So again see the output. Where is the output? Yeah. So output see superscript. Superscript will be on the top and subscript is going to be below. And something want to delete. So delete del tag is there. So this is all about today class, guy. I am going to share the PPT of HTML and I am also going to share the program. Many more tags we have to study. Tomorrow I am going to start from the start only the HTML tag. And my request for everyone, from everyone, all join within 5 minutes. See, yesterday I faced this. And today also it is same. So this should not happen. Let join 5 minutes. You have came here to learn something. If in between you are coming, you are not going to understand. So we'll continue tomorrow class, guy. And any question, now this is the end of the today's session. If you have any question, I am here to answer you. So whether I would like to know your feedback. Whether you are understanding or you are not understanding, you can give your feedback. You can write in group or anywhere. Fine. So I think in chat some questions are there. I can see. Okay. So output. I will try to share the screen because I keep switching the screen. Sometimes I go to output. Sometimes I go to program execution. So sometimes it doesn't catch. It doesn't reflect immediately. Fine, guy. So anyone having question, any guy? Anyone have question? Let me know. Anyone having the question, please let me know. Anyone? So tomorrow class is going to start from the tag, continuation of the tags, and we'll be designing something interesting. And next, like form, div tag, slider, or something like that, and we'll continue for the next class. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for your patience. Let's join tomorrow within 5 minutes. This is my request from everyone. So any question, guys, as of now? Anyone having question, guys? Thank you. So some guy has asked question, can he write in Notepad? Yes, he can write for learner Notepad, but Notepad++ is easy, and it will have some colorful code you can see, and you can identify which is the content part and which is the tag part. In Notepad, everything will be in the same color, and it understanding will be a bit difficult. And better is this visual code editor. Most of the professionals are using visual code editor, but I know you people are not professional as of now. You can use anything. Okay. So it depends on your thing, and I hope everyone will able to download. Thank you, guys. We'll meet you tomorrow at 5.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.